The installation of a residential driveway is typically carried out in one of two ways: concrete or asphalt. Both provide a relatively cost-effective and durable solution, but often asphalt has the edge over its predecessors. Used primarily in the paving of public roads, asphalt is strong, long-lasting, and easy on the eye. If you are planning on installing a brand new driveway on your property or even thinking of paving over the old one, asphalt is the solution for you. Compared with concrete solution, asphalt is considerably more durable and flexible, making it a near-perfect option for your driveway. Over time, concrete can be prone to cracks, splinters, and flakiness, with dust and debris becoming an almost permanent fixture. Asphalt, on the other hand, is easy to install and can be laid out quickly and smoothly. As suggested, installing an asphalt driveway is a fairly speedy process, usually taking no more than a couple of days to complete, depending on the size of the project and working conditions. In contrast, a concrete driveway will take much longer to lay and even longer to set and dry, with a concrete installation needing at least a week to cure before it can be driven on. Asphalt driveway installations can handle almost any weather conditions, from extreme heat to frost and snow. Asphalt driveways are less vulnerable to harsh weather conditions. During winter, concrete can be prone to cracks and deterioration and suffer from major shifts in temperature or conditions. Asphalt is less vulnerable to the changing of the weather, able to absorb heat in the summer and even melt snow faster in the winter, thanks to its dark color and insulation properties. With better strength and durability than concrete alternatives, an asphalt driveway requires significantly less maintenance and repairs over time. On average, an asphalt driveway will last at least 12 years, but can last as long as 35 years, providing the insulation was of a high quality. Maintenance is carried out when necessary and the weather conditions are relatively consistent. One of the most important benefits of asphalt driveway installations is the smooth, stylish, and usually seamless aesthetic it provides. Compared with concrete solutions, asphalt driveways provide a clean, approachable, and inviting atmosphere to the exterior of your home, supporting its design, practicality, and market value. Unfortunately, not all properties in the UK have a driveway, and this can be a make or break factor when deciding on your next home. Even if the property doesn't currently have a usable driveway, if there is space outside the front of the property and a drop-down curb, then there is definitely potential. Thanks for watching. Until next time.